Namaste dear children, welcome to class 3 English subject. In the previous class, we have started Gita's breakfast exercise part. In that question and answers, I have sent to your class group. Today, I am going to take the next exercise part of the Gita's breakfast. Page number 42. Understand grammar. Simple present, simple past tense. We use verbs to talk about what happens regularly or in the present. We also use verbs to talk about what has already happened in the past. For example, Appa makes the beds. Amma gives Geeta an idli. Simple present. And what is the example for simple past? Uma went to school. This is simple past. These two are simple present tense examples. Sentences. Amma gives Geeta an idli. Gives is simple present tense. Give, gives. Make, makes. It's not a plural, but it's a simple present form. Third person, simple present tense. Third person, verb it is. That is gives, makes. I main question. Tick write the correct verbs within the brackets. First one. Ducks dash in water. Swim in water, fly in water, walk in water. Ducks swim in water. They won't fly in water, they won't walk in water, but they swim in water. Second one. The children dash their hands to cheer the football team. ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಡೋದು cheer. The children clapped, rubbed, washed their hands to cheer the football team. The children clapped. Claps, making claps is called clapped. The children clapped their hands to cheer the football team. ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಟೀಮನ್ನು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ಟಿದರು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ದ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಜಂಗಲ್. The elephant dash in the jungle, roared in the jungle, mewed in the jungle, trumpeted in the jungle. Trumpeted. We use trumpet for the animal elephant. We use mew for the animal cat. We use roar for the animal lion. Lion roars. Cat mews. Elephant trumpets. So the elephant trumpeted in the jungle. Fourth point. Mr. Shaw dash in an office, works in an office, plays in an office, laughs in an office. Mr. Shaw works in an office. If it is an office, then we need to work there, not to play, not to laugh. Fifth point. My mother dash the newspaper in the morning, reads the newspaper in the morning, cooks the newspaper in the morning, draws the newspaper in the morning. My mother reads the newspaper in the morning. Reads is a correct answer here. Trumpeted there. Third one. Fifth one is reads. My mother reads the newspaper in the morning. If not, you can also read the newspaper in the morning. You can't cook the newspaper, you can't draw the newspaper. Newspaper is for reading. Next main question, J. Use grammar. J. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the box. This is a box. We need to choose correct word from this box. See, first word is played, second word is colored, third word is spilt, fourth is did, fifth read or read, drank, listened, cooked. These are the words. We need to choose them, fill them in the blanks. Here is a fill in the blanks. We had a nice evening yesterday. Had yesterday. I dashed my homework. I did my homework. Dash a storybook. Read a storybook and dashed the guitar for some time. Played the guitar for some time. First fill in the blanks is did. Underline the word did here. Second fill in the blanks read. Underline the word read here. Third fill in the blanks played. Underline the word played here. Next, Arpita. Arpita dash her drawing. Colored her drawing. Underline the word colored. And dash some milk and drank some milk. Drank. She dashed some milk on the bed. She spilt. 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 Spill. Past tense is spilt. Spilt. Spill. Spilt. ಚೆಲ್ಲೋದು, ಹರಡೋದು. She spilt some milk on the bed. Most children spilt milk or water on the bed or on the floor commonly. So spilt. Mummy and daddy dash dinner. Cooked dinner. COOKED. Cooked dinner. They all dashed to me playing the guitar. They all listened to me playing the guitar. Listened. Underline the word listened here. They all listened. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದರು. ನಾನು ಗಿಟಾರ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿದರು. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಗಿಟಾರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿಟಾರ್. Then we ate dinner. Here is the end of the story. Short story or a paragraph. Next main question, K main question. Imagine that you went to a fair or an amusement park. What did you do there? Work in pairs. Take turns to ask and answer the questions. Imagine that you went to a fair or an amusement park. Fair, jatre, amusement park. What did you do there? ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Work in pairs. Take turns to ask and answer the questions. One need to ask question, one need to answer the question. For example, you. How did you go there? Your friend or partner, he will say, he or she will say, I went by bus. So next sentence or question, let her or him to ask, then you can answer the question. It is a question answer type work it is. You need to ask it. Or if you have your brothers or sisters, you can play this game, asking questions and answering. Next page, 43 page number, L main question. Tick write the correct answers. You can choose as many as you like. We need to tick the correct answers. I eat breakfast. This is the sentence. Choose as many as you like. I eat breakfast. First one, to start the day. I eat breakfast to start the day. Yes, it is correct. Tick this one. Second one, because I am hungry. I eat breakfast because I am hungry. Yes, if you are hungry, then you must eat breakfast. That is also correct option, correct answer. Third one, to keep healthy. I eat breakfast to keep healthy. Correct. Fourth one, to get energy for work. I eat breakfast. That is also correct. If you have ticked all these options, then it is correct. All options are correct answers in this main question. Next main question, M main question, very interesting main question it is. See what it is. Life skills. M main question. What kind of food do you take to school in your tiffin box? Is it mostly healthy or mostly unhealthy? Discuss in class and make a list of healthy snack ideas. You can write the list in your notebook and show it to your parents. What kind of food do you take to school in your tiffin box? ನೀವು ಟಿಫಿನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ? ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆರ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ಹೆಲ್ದಿ? ಅದು ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾ ಅಥವಾ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಕ್ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್. ಬೇರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯದಾಯಕವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಕ್ ತಿಂಡಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್. ಆ ತಿಂಡಿಗಳ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶೋ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ. Here is a recipe for a healthy sandwich. The order of the sentences is jumbled up. Number the sentences in the correct order. The order is jumbled up. See, for example, first one is in the third place, and these are the fill in the blanks. Okay, now. Okay, first one is in third place. So this is called jumbled up. First sentence is somewhere, second sentence is somewhere. That is called jumbled up. Here is a recipe for a healthy sandwich. The order of the sentences is jumbled up. Number the sentences. We need to number the sentences. For example, first one is take 2 slices of brown bread. This one is first one. They marked. I will read all the sentences first. Then I will mark them in a number. See this sentence. Add some tomato and cucumber slices. In the beginning you will add letter C. Second sentence. Sprinkle some salt and pepper on the tomato and cucumber slices. This sentence. Place a slice of cheese or paneer on one of the slides. This sentence. Spread butter on both the slices. This sentence. Cover it with the second buttered slice. Last sentence. Cut in cut it into 2 pieces. Enjoy your sandwich. So in this one, in your textbook, it is given. First one is take 2 slices of brown bread. We need to first take 2 slices of brown bread. Next, what we need to do, spread butter on both the slices. This is second one. Butter, ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಲೈಸ್, ಬ್ರೆಡ್ಡಿನ ತುಣುಕಿಗೆ ಸ್ಲೈಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಬ್ರೆಡ್, ಬೋತ್ ಸ್ಲೈಸಸ್, ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಬಟರ್, ಬೆಣ್ಣೆನ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಆ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಸ್ಲೈಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ, ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಪೀಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ, ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಸ್ಲೈಸಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, third sentence is place a slice of cheese or paneer on one of the slices. Slice of cheese or paneer, cheese paneer, cheese or paneer ಅನ್ನು ಆ ಸ್ಲೈಸ್ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ಡಿನ ತುಣುಕಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದಿನ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ಡಿನ ತುಣುಕಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಪನೀರನ್ನು ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಚೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪನೀರ್. I hope you know what is the cheese or paneer. Fourth one, add some tomato and cucumber slices. Tomato, cucumber slices, pieces. Slices means pieces. Tomato and cucumber slice we need to add to that piece of a slice, which is which one has a spread buttered on it, and slice of cheese and paneer are put on it, placed on it, and which one had tomato and cucumber slices. Fifth one, sprinkle some salt and pepper on the tomato and cucumber slices. Sprinkle, sprinkle ಅಂದರೆ ಚುಮುಕ್ಸೋ ಹಾಗೆ. ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಕಲ್ ಸಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚುಮುಕ್ಸ್ಬೇಕು ಉಪ್ಪನ್ನು. ಸಾಲ್ಟ್, ಉಪ್ಪು. ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್, ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್ ಮೆಣಸು. ಆನ್ ದ ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕುಕುಂಬರ್ ಸ್ಲೈಸಸ್. ಈ ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಕುಕುಂಬರ್ ಪೀಸ್ಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್, ಮೆಣಸು ಮತ್ತು ಉಪ್ಪನ್ನು ಉದುರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಒನ್, ಕವರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬಟರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಲೈಸ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಹಚ್ಚಿದ ಈ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ಡಿನ ತುಣುಕನ್ನು ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಒನ್, ಕಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಂಟು 2 pieces. ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎರಡು ಭಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್ಚನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ರೆಸಿಪಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವಿಚ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. Children, write. Which one you will write? Okay, write L main question. Tick write the correct answers. You can choose as many as you like for your homework, today's homework. Write this main question in your homework. Children, take care of yourself. Be happy, be safe in your home. धन्यवाद.